What a thrilling game!
14 meters, Remax 3.05, release 2.10, 50 degrees, about 12 meters per second. Ready.
How did you do this?
Where ordinary maths begins with memorizing numbers, Maxfort maths begins with play. Shapes are not just drawings, they become towers. While in ordinary classes, maths stays on paper, here it walks into life, measuring with our own steps, finding circles in the world around us, charting data with friends. Maxfort maths becomes a habit and a joy. Ordinary maths teaches formulas. Maxfort maths teaches thinking.
From planning a trip budget to testing the strength of a bridge. And with AI powered personalization, every child grows at their own pace.
Most see maths as abstract. At Maxfort, students live it. With VR, real-world projects and innovation at every step, Maxfort Maths transforms equations into experiences.
Promise me, you won't tell. But Maxfort Maths, it's a whole different league.